ClayTrader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol PMCB. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Don't mean to rub the salt in anyone's wounds or state the obvious, but pretty rough day here. I would assume some sort of news, maybe earnings or something was today. But that first 30 minutes, you can see a whole lot of sellers showed up, big volume there, and then the big price reaction. And then the price did start to level out here. And the whole leveling out part is where the chart gets pretty interesting because of, where, the location of where it started to level out at. And this will mean a little bit more here as I scrunch up the chart here a little bit. So let's get this first level of support mapped out. Whoops, didn't mean to go that far. So as far as the location of where, well, when I bring that down here, maybe you already see where I'm kind of going with this. But right here at this 10.5 cents, so 0.105 area, you can see acted as support back here. And once again, is doing a very good job of acting as support right here. Now, am I sitting here saying that, so therefore this is guaranteed to bounce back up to 13 cents? I'm not saying that. I wish the market was that easy, but all I'm saying is that it makes sense why the price has started to stabilize here. And would I be shocked to see some sort of bounce upwards? No, it would not be shocking. But again, that doesn't mean that anything's a guarantee. Guarantees do not exist in the market. The other area of support, and I'm not sure if this matches up. I don't think so, but my eyes have deceived me before. Not quite. Is right here at, we'll call it the 10-cent mark. You can see, again, the lowest it got during this crazy candle, right down here, slightly above 10 cents. And then on, this morning's crazy candle, again, right down around that area. Not the exact same spot, but I think we can all agree, well within the same vicinity of one another. So if 10.5 cents cannot hold, then it would not be shocking at all to see the price slowly drift down to that 10-cent mark, if not lower. But as it stands right now, like I said, 10.5 cents is doing a very good job of holding strong as support. Now, what about levels of resistance? If there's any sort of bounce, key level of resistance that sticks out, any kind of bounce is initial one right there at 0.108. And then after 0.108, next key overall area of resistance that stands out up there at 0.113. So a crazy day. Price did try to stabilize. Whoops. And go sideways, and that final 30 minutes, no doubt about it, was very bullish. So a good solid candle. So we'll see if that is any sort of leading indicator in terms of what's to come. So we shall see. Still 2 days left this week. One of the most popular questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then by all means, click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point. And like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.